enum in C language, enumeration, the user defined data type. There are some situations where we get fixed set of values like day, Sunday to Monday, month, January to December, result, pass, fail, sex, male and female. So in these situations we get fixed set of values. So we use enumeration, enum, the keyword enum. So look at the definition part of enum. Enum followed by a valid enumeration name, and whatever you put within brackets are called enumeration elements or enumeration constants, and all the constant must be separated by comma. You can write it in a single line, no need of writing in 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. We can put it in one single line separated by comma. So here we have enum definition. What is the name, season, and so what are the constants, summer, spring, winter and autumn. So we have defined an enum with the name, season and 4 elements separated by comma. So once defined, we can declare enum variable. So look at the declaration and the last line, enum name and variable name, enum season s semicolon. Here s is your enum variable. So we need to follow the rules of variable names while giving an enum name. So look at this clearly. We can also declare an enum variable like this. Look at the closing bracket. At the closing bracket itself we can use an enum variable. So by default the value of the first element is assigned with 0 and second element is 1 and so on. So here the first element summer 0 and then 1 and then 2 and then 3. We can change these values. We can assign our own values to these elements, but by default they are assigned with numbers from 0. So look at a simple demonstration program. What is a variable? S, and S is equal to spring and printf S. So in that example the statement S is equal to spring, and we assign a value 1 to the variable as since the value of spring is 1. As I told you, we can change the default values. We can assign any value of our choice to any element in enum. So look at this example. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday is equal to 5. So we can make our own assignments. If nothing is specified, by default it takes 0, 1, 2 and so on. So the default value of SUN will be 0 and Monday will be 1 and Tuesday will be 2 and so on. But in this example we have defined the value of Tuesday as 5. So the values of Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday will be 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on. And there won't be any effect on Sunday and Monday, which will remain 0 and 1. So another example, look at the printf here, day plus 2. So day is equal to Thursday. So we have not assigned any values to the elements, enumeration elements or enumeration constants. So it takes default values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The value of Thursday will be 4 and 4 plus 2 is 6. So we have another example. What is the name, months, and what are the values we have? and January to December, and January is equal to 1. So here we have a type of enum named as months. So we have assigned a value 1 to Jan. So we used a for loop here. Look at that for loop. I is equal to Jan, I less than or equal to December, and I plus plus printf I. So we can make these type of assumptions also. So another demo program. Name days and Sunday to Saturday. Look at line number 6. D is equal to Monday. So what is a variable here? D is a variable. Switch off D. So we have different cases, case Sunday, case Monday, case Tuesday, and so on. So what is the value we assign to D? And D is equal to Monday. So based on D value, the statement under concerned case will be executed. So we have one more demo program here with enum fruits. And look at this clearly. We didn't specify any variable here. Check it out. And all the elements are assigned with different values. So we can use macros also to define the name constants. But in case of enum, all the constants will be grouped together in a single statement separated by comma. So look at this, hash defined pass 0 and hash defined success 1. Don't use semicolons over there. So these two statements we can write it in a single statement using enum. Enum with enum name and within braces pass comma success separated by comma. So the enum type always follows the scope rules, whereas the macro does not follow the scope rules. In enum, even if we do not assign the values to the constants, the compiler will automatically assign the default value of the concerned constants which we specified within braces. But in case of macros, the values need to be explicitly assigned. The type of enum in C is an integer, but the type of macro can be of any type.